What's up, guys? It's Grant and this is Genie Motorsports. Today we are going to do a install video on 62A Hasport transmission and the upper motor mount. So this is the transmission mount we will be replacing, and this is the other motor mount we will be replacing. For the video, I'm just going to be calling it the upper motor mount. First thing I did was I put a jack underneath the car. I'm going to put it on the bottom end of the motor, as you can see here. That way, when I take the motor mounts out, the engine does not fall out of the bay. First I'm going to do is take out these bolts, as I'm pointing to them here. Two 10s, three 10s actually, and then this is a 14, and those down there, I was able to get an 11/16 on them.
Two cars. If you got it daily, you don't need the real one to run.
Oh, he has two cars. He won't let that happen. His engine might fall out.
I'll give him the 95 Civic. He can
Watch, look what we're doing.
So he would sell my car in order to replace this one.
Eric, what size were those?
This.
So I guess we didn't get any footage of putting the upper motor mount in, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. I removed the reservoir out of the way by just taking the bolts out and tilting it back, and then just took the mount out with the different bolts, and right now we're just putting it back in. So I'll kind of show a little bit in this upcoming clip of putting it back in.
You see this? There we go.
Right here, we're putting the bracket back in.
Genie squared. I love the sound in the background.
This should pull up a little bit.
Oh, whoa.
Hey, I got it.
No.
So it's in. Just this bracket's no longer sitting here. Torque these to 70. Put the ground back on. Wasn't able to torque this down. Just got them real tight. Got this real tight. Took that bracket off. Flipped this all the way up. We're good. We're in on this side. Now it's time for that side. All right, working on the second one. Got those all loose. All right, so we moved the ECU. There's a bolt down there we loosened. Don't take it all the way out. There's one bolt here, two 10s we took out. Working on taking these out right now. As you can see, there's six, sorry. Two here, two there, one here, and one there. All right, so I got these all in, torqued them down to 70. There's one here. This comes with supplied bolts. So here they're 3/4. These are 11/16, as well as this one, and this one. I did have to take ECU bolt out. I said that earlier. These just unclip. Just take a screwdriver and they unclip. There's also one to unclip down here. So we'll clip that in again. And you do have to take out the battery bracket. The screw is, I believe it's here, and then there's three up top. It's a pain to do, as you can see, but these do slide out, and then there's three on top. That's probably the biggest pain having. We did jack up the tranny to get everything, so we're all tight. We'll put this back in, put the battery back in, and be done. Alright, so it comes with brackets on, it's on. Good. So we are all in. Should be all tight. So I don't know if you can see, it's got a little vibrate to it. So I guess we'll drive and go from there. All right, first impressions. Oh, you can't see it on camera. Everything vibrates. I could probably put some. Let's see if you see that. Do you see the cord moving? No, I mean, it's not bad for what it is. These are just the 6.2A, so I mean, they're the weakest, I guess, out. But I guess it should be suitable enough for daily driving. So we'll go from there.
So I've had the motor mounts in for about a couple weeks now. They have really quieted down. Honestly, I can't even really tell I have motor mounts, except I don't have that much wheel hop any longer. I do have the rear motor mount as well. I'll put the video in a link right here. Also, you can't really tell you have the motor mounts unless you're in first gear under like 2,500 RPM. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am Grant, and this is G&Me Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.